Knightrider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist. A young loner on a crusade to champion the cause of the innocent, the helpless, the powerless, in a world of criminals who operate above the law.
So looking at some of the electronics there, look at this. Somebody thought that black masking tape and duct tape was fine to hold wires together. As you can see, absolute joke. I swear to God, joke. Anyway, I'll keep going with this, guys, and see how we go. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Joke. By the way, I am being careful. I am definitely being careful. So upon hitting this switch here, everything turns on the dash. Hear the tone generator starting up there. There goes the lights. Don't know how accurate that is. There's that piece of paper I was talking about, over the steering wheel. As you can see. Some more sort of plastic sticker stuff on this for some reason. That's actually one of those, it's like what's in the center of a key ring. You know, those like Ford key rings and BMW, etc. Although I did find this in the car. Maybe that's supposed to go in there, I don't know. Originally, this might tell what type of steering wheel this is or from what vendor, I don't know. Here's the DVD that's currently in this, which is really bad, but I'm getting one off Bow, which will work out sweetly. And it should do a better job than this one. I looked at his DVD, it's pretty good. This here now is inferior compared to his. And there's the SID night scanner going. Underneath the hood, the 2.8 V6 in very good order. Once again, very little rust around this thing. No holes anywhere anyway. There might be the odd surface rust here and there, but that's about it. And when I say that, I mean it's just on bolts and things. So just having a look at the way the electronics work for the indicators. That may be one thing I'm happy about.